Today, we will show you how to perform troubleshooting when there is no audio coming from your Fusion amplifier. For this video, we will be using a Garmin Fusion Apollo 6-channel amplifier, but the process is similar for other Garmin Fusion amplifiers. First, check the software version on the connected stereo and update it if needed. Click the link in the description for help updating your Garmin Fusion stereo. After updating software, make sure there are no volume limits set. The system is not muted, the volume is turned up, and a source is playing music. Make sure the DSP profiles have been set up if you have an Apollo amplifier. Click the link in the description for help setting up DSP profiles. Also, make sure the amplifier is not going into protect mode. This will be indicated by a red LED status light on the amplifier. Refer to the linked video if the amplifier is in protect mode. Next, the preamp signal needs to be checked from the stereo. Using a digital multimeter, set it to test voltage at the lowest possible setting. Then, take the line out RCA and place the positive probe of the multimeter inside the RCA connector. The probe must touch the inside wall of the connector. Touch the negative probe to the outside jacket of the same RCA connector. Ensure music is playing. You should see a very small voltage reading. You can adjust the volume to see the voltage reading fluctuate. The harness should be replaced if there is no voltage reading. Please contact Garmin Marine Product Support for assistance. Perform the same test at the end of the RCA extension cables plugged into the amplifier itself. The RCA extension cable will need to be replaced if there is no voltage reading. Next, we need to check the amplifier channel output. Disconnect one of the speakers. While music is playing, use the digital multimeter to test the channel output by placing the positive probe into the positive channel port and the negative to ground. You should see the voltage fluctuate on the digital multimeter. You can adjust the volume up and down to observe the change in voltage. If you do not see a voltage reading, there may be an issue with the amplifier itself. Please contact Garmin Marine Product Support for assistance. Ensure you have properly tuned the amplifier if there is still no audio. See the linked video below. Next, we will test the speakers. Set the digital multimeter to test resistance. Then touch the negative probe to the negative speaker wire and the positive probe to the positive speaker wire and observe the resistance. The reading should be between 3.4 ohms and 4 ohms for a 4 ohm speaker. The reading should be between 1.7 ohms and 2 ohms for 2 ohm speakers. Test the speaker resistance at the speaker terminals if the reading is outside of these ranges. Replace the speaker wires if the reading is within specification. The speaker will need to be replaced if the reading is outside of the stated range. If you have performed the demonstrated troubleshooting and there is still no audio, please contact Garmin Marine Product Support for assistance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.